Happy President's Day, everybody. How are you? I'm here in the car all by myself. Oh, wait, no, I'm not. I've got Estrella and Celeste. And I'm going to go Pokemon hunting. But we're going to drop off Estrella at kind of a daycare place. And we're going to go have lunch with her friend's parents. Yeah. Right, Celeste?
Yep.
Okay. Let's go. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Have fun. Now that she's gone, I can focus on the important things. This thing right here. Full disclosure, I'm not doing it while driving. That's what this thing is for, so don't judge me. But I'm stopped now. Ooh, it's Lugma. So long story short, we're here at the restaurant. Yeah, long story. You don't need to know it. Let's go eat. So we're here at the restaurant, and as you can see, this is the Pokestop. So we're gonna eat. I'm gonna catch some Pokemon, and I'll get back to you guys in about half an hour or so. So
it didn't say her name in it. I don't know if you remember reading
it. Just ran to get that Pokemon just now.
Yeah,
140 CP.
And I was like, was it laundry?
Worth it?
Like, I'll pretend I'm talking about laundry.
So Maya's Thai, what's it called? Maya's Thai House, Thai Cuisine Thai House here on Sonoma Boulevard in Vallejo. Very good. Thank you very much, guys, for the service and the great food. Now we gotta drive in this. Okay, so we are gonna go to Home Depot, get a shop light for my lighting for my videos at home. Because I've had a few comments about video quality. The quality of the video is good, but the quality of the lighting is subpar. So I need a light, a shop light, in the interim while I wait for actual studio lights from my, well, I guess my boss, Radford. So we're gonna go do that, but we're picking up Estrella right now, and I'm double parked. So hurry up! We gotta go! I don't wanna get a ticket. Did you have fun, Estrella?
She didn't want to leave.
Aww.
She was mad when she had to take her cape off.
Aww, you had a cape on?
She had a cape and a scepter.
Ooh, pretty.
I was like,
okay.
we're gonna go to the hardware store now.
Hardware store, let's go! Not what I'm looking for, but it's kind of cool. No, don't need it. Need to get a shop light. So if I was a shop light, where would I be? Success! We got 2 of these guys, but I want to test out if I need both, if I can just get away with one, if I can use my LifeX Wi-Fi light bulb that I can change the lumen to like super bright and super cool instead of super warm. So now I'm looking for like a super cool light bulb. Of course they will put these lights at her eye level. Of course. Anyways, got the lamps, got the bulbs. Now to test them out when we get home. And if they work, you guys are gonna get some awesome looking videos. So this is what it looks like now. And this is what it looks like with light. Now, it is very makeshift. Okay, so don't judge me here. Tripod, shop light, backdrop. Very, very makeshift. Wife. Makeshift. Soulmate. But my point is, I'm gonna get better at this.
You fixed it.
She's amazing. She fixed the drums. And oh wow, that's very bright. I only need one then, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So for those of you who know Wolfie, you know he's a little older. He's he forgot how to be house trained. So we resort to doing this. Oh, look at his face!
He hates me right now.
Oh, so sorry, Wolfie! Wolfie. Oh, poor guy. Yes, come over here.
I think it's too small for him.
What? A diaper? Diaper?
You had a diaper too. Oh, what kind of walk is that? He's walking backwards toward it. Oh,
He's confused.
he's so confused. Full disclosure, those are baby diapers, like human baby diapers. So probably we'll get real doggy baby diapers or doggy old baby diapers, something. We'll get something. But yeah. I'm sorry, Wolfie. Oh, look at that shuffle. Celeste. Oh, it fell off. Oh, okay. Alright guys, that's it. I'm gonna end the vlog right now. It's just about 6:15, give or so. I still have to go to the gym. I'm actually doing really well. I'm going to the gym every other day as promised. And I gotta eat and do some other things, get ready for work tomorrow. But that's all kind of boring stuff. All the adventure happened today. So I do want to end tonight with this. It is raining. It is dangerous. Please be safe. Don't try to speed to your destination. If you have to go to the bathroom, go. You know, whatever reason that you feel that you need to get there quicker, just realize that your reflexes and timing are going to be a little bit off because everything's going to be, you know, kind of out of sync. So we're safe, what have you. We're fine. My car's fine. But yeah, just be aware of that, guys, and hope you're safe out there. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Like, subscribe, and share. Have a good one. Bye-bye.